Being part of a property management team means you're expected to wear a lot of hats. Managing expenses, maintaining a high occupancy rate, and of course, keeping the property operational and maintained. After all, your properties are a great billboard for not only your customer's business, but as a reflection of your efforts as well. Building envelopes are the first thing a customer or tenant sees, and one of the most vulnerable areas to damage. Let the experienced team at Western Specialty Contractors be your single point of contact for all of your exterior building needs. From foundation to rooftop and everything in between, Western will help you manage your building envelope maintenance, prioritize repairs, and assist with budget planning. We can provide support with project phasing decisions and value engineering, and help your team communicate clearly and effectively to owners and other decision makers. With over 100 years of experience and a nationwide network of service teams, you can count on Western Specialty Contractors for all your building envelope needs.